After you signing into your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, you want to look at the left side of your screen and click on File button right here, which will take you to this page. Then, on the number 2, your tax payment info or your refund info, click on Start or Revisit button besides it. After that, choose on the option called Direct Deposit with Standard Timing, and hit the Continue button at the bottom of the page. This page then will appear, and you may start to change your direct deposit bank account information. And after you are done, click on Continue button right here. Keep in mind that you can only do this when you have not filed your tax return yet. Because if you've already filed, and your return was accepted or mailed, you cannot change the direct deposit bank account due to IRS rules. If the bank info is incorrect, you'll receive a paper check in the mail instead. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.